This is a walkie-talkie. Redivis. We didn't actually own walkie-talkies, and it actually will turn out to be quite useful for us in car shoots. But initially this company reached out and said, hey, we've got these radio frequency transmitters. And I was like, yeah, I'm saying yes to everything, so yeah, here's the shipping address. And their response was, okay, perfect. Do you have a license for this one? I said, no, I don't think I do. I didn't want to have to go get a license, so they suggested a lower power model. Instead, we ended up with this very functional walkie-talkie. Multi-channel. It's got the little belt loop. It's got an antenna. I believe Andrew's in the other room with the other one. Paging Andrew, come in.
This is Astro. 4.
Astro, do a dance. 10-4.
Recalibrating.
The idea is it works, which is basically all I could ask. I literally don't know what else to ask of a walkie-talkie other than how far can it go, so I'll put the number on screen for what they say this will do right there. Astro, play Never Gonna Give You Up by Rick Astley.
I'm currently giving up.